Good morning, Broker Jeff, and happy extended forecast starting Wednesday. Today, 46 sunny, low 26. Tomorrow, Thursday, Turkey Day, more sun, and a high of 48, low of 34. Friday, 20%, 70% chance of rain actually, high of 44, low of 29. Brittany, what do you have left over for the weekend's forecast? Snow shovels? Umbrellas? What do we got? Brittany?
Agent Brittany here. Saturday high 47, low 34, mix of clouds and sun. Sunday we have a high of 45, low of 35. 87% chance of rain though, so get those umbrellas ready. However, we are at least lucky. We are a little bit warmer than those 20-degree temps we had last weekend. So hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful holiday and a great weekend.